Hello everyone, how are you all? Okay, can you hear me all? Okay, hi. So, how's the weather at your place? Okay, here in Bangalore, we are having a very mixed kind of weather. If it's sunny right now, you never know, after an hour or so, it might start raining. And this fickle weather, it gives me a little cough and sore throat. So, and my go to remedy for this is honey. I simply mix 1 tablespoon of honey to a glass of warm water and drink it. And it instantly soothes the throat. But this remedy I'm sure you might all be knowing. So let's talk about the remedies which you don't know and with honey. Okay. So these days the buzzword is immunity, right? And do you know when we combine honey with cinnamon, it boosts our immunity. Both honey and cinnamon have antibacterial properties and these help fight infection. So all you need to do is combine honey with little cinnamon in water and voila, you can boost your immunity. Okay. And if you are looking to lose weight, then also, both these things works wonder. So you just need to take water, take little honey, and little cinnamon, and mix it together. So you can have this mixture 30 minutes before the breakfast on an empty stomach, or 1 hour before going to bed, and this will surely help you lose some extra pounds. But sometimes you don't it's not necessarily you have cinnamon at home, so no worries. Instead of cinnamon, you can use lemon, right? So, to lose fat from the body, combine 1 tablespoon of honey and little lemon, and you can have it the first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. So, honey and little lemon, and there you go. Hmm. I know it's not morning, but this concoction you can have it at any time of the day. It will keep you hydrated and this also helps you lose weight. Let me have one more sip. This honey tastes so good. Okay, now let's talk about the usage of honey in beauty. ओके सो आजकल DIY रूटीन का ज़माना आ गया है. Nobody wants to use chemicals on the face, right? And especially in this pandemic, we all are very wary of going to salons, right? So we try, all the natural ingredients we can lay our hands on. And one of the safest ingredient to use is honey. Okay, so here's the simple face mask which I use and I can swear by its benefit. Okay, so here you go. So you just need to add, so this is curd and turmeric, you can see turmeric, lemon, and again honey. So you just need to mix little bit of honey, sorry, lemon juice. I put it in curd. So curd, honey, lemon juice, and a pinch of turmeric. Okay. Now mix it, mix it, mix it. So this is how it looks. So this will be the consistency. Okay. Now you can apply this on your clean face. I mean, you can apply it all over the face, right? So I'm just showing you a bit. You can leave this for good about 10-15 minutes, or say until it dries out, and then wash it with the warm water. Let me just remove it. Okay, see, so this is a very basic face mask which you all can try at home, and it works wonder. It brings instant glow to your face. Okay, now we all face the issue of acne, right? In that too, honey and cinnamon works wonder as a spot treatment. You can use this thing. So all you need to do is take little bit of honey and mix it with cinnamon, okay, and then put it over your, on the acne, okay, and then wash it off after another 10 minutes or so, okay. And another ingredient you can use with honey is tea tree oil. Okay, so tea tree oil has antibacterial properties. Okay, so you can mix honey with tea tree oil and do the spot treatment. Repeat the process as, like, put it on your acne and then let it dry completely and then wash it off. Okay, and sometimes it again happens that we don't have cinnamon or tea tree oil at home, right? Then what to do? So take honey, okay, and little lemon juice, mix it both together and put it on your acne. Simple. Okay, and so another way I use honey is as a natural sweetener. Okay, so I put honey in my shakes, in my baked goods as a substitute of sugar. And do you know that honey not only contains more nutrients than sugar, but it is easier to digest too. Okay, so many uses of honey. This is a wonderful ingredient. And this is the brand which I use for quite some time. I've been using this brand, Apis Honey. See the consistency. This pure and natural honey is sourced from the beautiful valleys of Himalayas, and the consistency is smooth and it tastes yum. There is no crystallization at the bottom. One of the purest honey I have ever tasted. Guys, if you have any questions regarding this brand or any other beauty treatment or how I use honey, you can always DM me. Okay, I can see many people joining. Hi. Okay, so let me go through once again what I have discussed. So for immunity, honey is great. Okay, so I combine honey with cinnamon to boost immunity, as both are rich source of antioxidant. They help fight infection. And for losing weight too, honey and cinnamon, or honey with lemon water. Drink it on an empty stomach, or 1 hour before going to bed. And beauty, I have already told you, I have shown you how to make a very simple face mask using honey, curd, little turmeric and lemon juice. This is the best and the safest face mask. Okay, and now my last tip is for anxiety. So these days, because of pandemic, we get anxious very easily, right? And to calm yourself, I use honey. So how I use it, this is orange juice. Okay, so I take a glass of orange juice and mix little honey in it. And drink it. Cheers. Tastes good, and it instantly soothes your brain nerves. So guys, once again, if you have any questions on honey and especially this brand which I use, Apis Honey, do let me know. And this live association was is with the brand Apis, and the content creators were Shiapa. So that's it from me now, and I hope to see you all very soon with maybe another ingredient, another home remedy. So keep tuned to my By Trails page. Oh yes, I can see honey is so important for our life. Yes, yes, and this is the safest ingredient which you can use, right? Okay guys, so that's it from now. Have a good evening. Bye.